Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on the integral of the form 1 upon under root quadratic. Let us start with problem number 9. Integral 1 upon under root 5 minus 3x minus 2x square dx. Here let us consider the given integral as I. Now the first step is to make the coefficient of x square 1. For that we need to take 2 common inside the square root. That will give you 1 upon under root 2 into, this will become 5 upon 2 minus 3x upon 2, and here we have minus x square. Taking these 2 outside the integral, we will get 1 upon root 2. 1 upon we have under root 5 by 2 minus 3x by 2 minus x square dx. Now let us find the third term. Third term is equal to half into coefficient of x the whole square, that is equal to half into coefficient of x, you can see it is minus 3 upon 2 the whole square. 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3 upon 2 into 2 we have 4 the whole square, which will give you 9 upon 16. Now let us add and subtract this term in the denominator. As x square is negative, we need to give it negative third term and adjust the positive third term with the first constant, that is 5 upon 2. Therefore, I is equal to 1 upon root 2 integral 1 upon under root 5 by 2 plus we have 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 followed by minus 3x by 2 followed by minus x square dx. Now let us solve these two fractions first. 1 upon root 2 integral 1 upon under root, here you can take LCM as 16. Therefore, we need to multiply 8 both numerator and denominator. This will give you 5 into 8 as 40 and 40 plus 9 will be 49 upon the LCM will be 16. And take minus sign common from the rest of the three terms. Minus x square will become plus x square. Minus 3x by 2 will become plus 3x by 2. And minus 9 by 16 will be plus 9 by 16 dx. I is equal to 1 upon root 2 integral 1 upon under root 49 upon 16 can be written as 7 upon 4 the whole square. While here we can reduce these terms as square root of x is x, sine of second term is plus, and square root of 9 by 16 is 3 by 4 the whole square. Now I can compare this given integral with the standard formula integral 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx, which is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c, where the value of a is 7 by 4 and the value of x will be x plus 3 by 4. Therefore, I is equal to 1 upon root 2 sine inverse, the value of x is x plus 3 by 4 upon the value of a is 7 upon 4 plus c. Solving these two fractions, we will get I is equal to 1 upon root 2 sine inverse, we have 4x plus 3 upon 4 divided by 7 upon 4 plus c. Here 4 will be cancelled, and therefore the final answer will be 1 upon root 2 sine inverse 4x plus 3 upon 7 plus c. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.